Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a schedule in Notion. First, open Notion and create a new page. You'll want to select a database type, like a table or board, to begin building your schedule. The calendar view is particularly useful for visualizing your tasks and appointments, making it easy to see your week or month at a glance. This foundational step sets up your workspace for effective organization. Once your database is set up, it's time to add essential properties. Include a date property to track deadlines and events, and consider adding status and priority fields for better task management. You can also create custom tags to categorize your tasks, such as work, personal, or study. These properties help you filter and sort your schedule efficiently, giving you a clear overview of your commitments. Now, let's start populating your schedule. Each task or event becomes a new entry in your database. In the calendar view, you can easily drag and drop tasks to adjust their dates, offering great flexibility. Utilize the filter and sort options to focus on specific tasks, like those due this week or high-priority items. This dynamic approach ensures your schedule remains adaptable to your changing needs. To elevate your Notion schedule, explore advanced features. You can set up recurring tasks using Notion's template button or integrate with automation tools for repetitive entries. Linking your schedule to other project pages creates a comprehensive workspace, connecting your tasks to broader goals. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This helps you stay organized and productive across all your endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.